Hello everyone, this is knitting and crochet. So in this tutorial here I chain multiple of 2, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 stitch. See, we skip the first one and start from the second and insert the hook, pull up the loop, insert the hook, pull up the loop. We do this till end of the row. Insert the hook, pull up the loop, insert the hook, pull up the loop. And last one. So 2, 4, 6 and 8. We crochet this one, and after we have loop and stitch. We crochet these 2 together, 1 and 2, crochet, crochet. This is starter row. We do one time and don't repeat this row. So like this. So row 1, we insert the hook to here and pull up the loop. In the Tunisian crochet we call it this knit stitch. So we insert the hook to here between 2 stitches, pull up the loop. This row we repeat all the time. Like this. Like this. 2, 4, 6 and 8. We crochet 1 after crochet 2 after 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We leave here 2 stitch for adding new color. So here I add new color. So here we add new colors and like this. So we start with new. So we do the same all the time. We insert the hook to here, to here, see, to here, to here, to here, and to here. See, repeat this row all the time with changing colors and you get this one. I will share how to crochet this simple, beautiful, just 1 row stitch. Here just 1 row for repeat. This is really so easy to do, so fast to crochet for blankets. And for chenille yarn you can use bigger hook if you want. So have this stitch. Oops, really so easy, so fast. See, here I changed the colors. And here also we have really so good.